At Adepteq, we don't just deliver SharePoint projects. We transform how your team works, collaborates, and thrives. As a proud Microsoft Solutions partner for modern work, we've delivered over 1,000 successful SharePoint rollouts. From sleek intranets and document management systems to fully bespoke, enterprise-grade digital workspaces. Whether you're looking for a smart, scalable platform for your growing business or a tailored SharePoint setup to match your unique processes, we make it happen. Securely, efficiently, and with care. But here's the truth. Having SharePoint isn't enough. Without the right knowledge, it's like having a high-performance car and never taking it out of first gear. That's where Adepteq comes in. Our SharePoint training services equip your team with the confidence and skills to use SharePoint to its full potential, boosting productivity, collaboration, and compliance across your organization. Adepteq isn't just a delivery partner, we're an education and digital transformation partner too. We train your people in your environment, solving your challenges with your workflows so they leave ready to apply what they've learned immediately. We offer flexible delivery, from bite-sized awareness sessions to full-scale multi-day programs. That means admin-focused sessions for power users, practical day-to-day training for employees, and targeted guidance for leadership. We also show you how SharePoint connects with your line of business applications, like CRM, HR, or finance systems, so collaboration extends into the tools you use every day, all backed by real-world experience from over 1,000 successful projects. Ever had a training session that left you with more questions than answers? Our awareness sessions let you try before you buy, giving you a hands-on feel for what's possible before committing to a full program. It's a low-cost way to make a high-value decision, because any tech project is an investment in your business and the future of work.
Phil, we're interested in SharePoint training, but what exactly do you cover?
We tailor every session to your organization. That could mean core SharePoint basics, like document libraries, lists, permissions, or deep dives into custom workflows, governance, and advanced collaboration tools.
Do we need to have SharePoint already set up before training?
Not at all. We train teams before, during, or after rollout. If you're new to SharePoint, we can even use our demo environment so your people can practice risk-free.
How long does the training take?
That depends on your needs. Some clients choose a focused 2-hour session. Others run multi-day workshops for different departments. We work around your schedule.
Can you train different roles separately?
Yes, and we recommend it. Power users, admins, and everyday users all have different needs, so we split sessions to keep them relevant and impactful.
What's the benefit of training with Adepteq instead of learning online?
2 big things: personalization and practicality. We train on your environment, solving your challenges. And because we've delivered over 1,000 SharePoint projects, we know the tips, shortcuts, and pitfalls that generic online courses miss.
Ready to unlock the full potential of SharePoint? Let's train your team for success. Contact Adepteq today.